In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pay rate on Connecteam. To get started, open Connecteam and go to the Launchpad. Before you add a pay rate to any employee, it's important to make sure the pay rate feature is actually enabled in your account. This matters because if the setting is off, you may not see the options needed to track wages properly inside the time clock. From the left-hand menu, open time clock, then click Settings and go to the General tab. In this section, look for the option called Show Pay Rates and turn it on. Once this is enabled, Connecteam will be able to display and track pay-related information more accurately, which is especially useful if you want labor costs to reflect inside your time tracking workflow. After that, head over to the Users tab on the left side of the dashboard. This is where you can manage individual employee profiles. Click on the employee whose pay rate you want to add or update. When their profile opens, select the Pay Rates tab. Inside the Pay Rates tab, enter the employee's current base rate. This is the standard hourly wage Connecteam will use as the foundation for calculations. Once you've entered the correct amount, click Save. If you're updating an existing rate, make sure you're entering the current one you want the system to use going forward. This helps keep payroll records organized and reduces confusion later. If you also need to set up overtime or other special pay rules, go back to Time Clock. Open Settings again, then choose Overtime and Pay Rules. In this area, click Add Rule to create a new pay rule. Give the rule a clear name so it's easy to recognize later, such as weekend pay or night shift. Next, choose the rule type that fits your needs. You can select overtime if you want the system to apply a multiplier, such as time and a half based on the employee's base wage, or you can choose additional hourly rate if you want to add a flat amount on top of the normal rate. Finally, set the conditions for when that rule should apply. This could be based on daily hours, weekly hours, or specific time ranges depending on your setup. Taking a moment here to define the rule carefully will help ensure employees are compensated correctly and that your time records remain accurate. That's how to add a pay rate on Connecteam, including how to enable the feature, update an employee's base rate, and create overtime or additional pay rules.